do you work in? Do you manage a team? How many people are in your team? And what do you do at work specifically? For instance, that's what I teach IELTS and certifications. Some of you make things, some of you sell things, and stuff like this. So the answer will be, yeah, well, the question is, which department? I will make it short. Depth, yeah, do you work in? Do you work in? Yeah, which department do you work with? And your usual answer, I work in, and you name it, yeah. Which department do you work in, yeah? Okay. Do you manage a team, yeah? The red one. Do you manage a team? Or another way, are you a manager? Yeah, same question. Are you a manager? Are you a manager? Yeah. So obvious answers. No, I don't. No, I don't. Yeah. Or yes, I am. Or yes, I do. And you say, I manage a team of. I manage a team. And for example, all three people. Yeah, talking about me. All three people. I manage a team, all three people. This answers the question, how many people are there in your team? Yeah. Can we do it? So how many people are there in your team? In your team. How many people are there in your team? Yeah, this is, there are, and you say, yeah, how many? Three, for example, yeah, people in my team. Okay, good enough. So, oh, sorry, almost stole your mic. Another options that we can have, yeah, I manage a team of 10 people. I am a part of a big team. When it's a big team, more than 20, usually, yeah. I work alone, yeah, I work alone. Other options, okay. These are some examples of what you can say, yeah. I work for a cable company. I manage the production line, for example, or I solve technical problems. I make reports for my boss. I have meetings with clients, and so forth and so on. Don't worry, guys, I will send you the presentation. After we finish, I will send you the presentation, the recording, and as always, the homework. Yeah, with the words and exercises. So if you are missing anything, don't worry. Yeah, this is what you can tell about your company. Probably these are my guesses. We make large seafloor cables. Cables, you know this thing. Cables, you should know. Seafloor. This recalls back sea and floor. So you make big cables that we put throughout the seafloor. Yeah. Okay, so you know this stuff. We test the cables for safety. This is like quality control. Yeah, test the cables for safety. Yeah, like good enough. Yeah. Okay. Not like this. Don't do like this. You get infected. Okay. We check the machines in the factory. Check, you know, good, no good. Yeah. Machines may in Vietnamese. Yeah. In the factory. Yeah, may. Yeah. Factory. Yeah. Okay. And we send the cables to big ships. Ships, you know. Yeah. Send. Yeah. And cables too. Okay. Okay. Good enough. This is probably what you can tell about your work. Yeah. Mhm. So back to the question, yeah, what do you do at work? What do you do at work? Yeah, this relates to, let's take another color. Oh, I know which one. Yeah, this is green, but of different tint. This one. What do you do at work? What do you do at work? Yeah, this relates to your duties or job responsibilities. Like, what do you do? What do you do? It's a job. Yeah. What do you do? Notice, guys. Yeah. Job title. Yeah. Again, job title. Yeah. But what do you do at work when we have this? Yeah. What do you do at work? It means what do you actually do? Like, I check cables, answer calls, I teach you, and stuff like that. Yeah. That's what we do at work. So notice the difference here. What do you do? I am a teacher. Yeah. What do you do at work? I teach IELTS and communication, corporate communication. Yeah. Something like this. This is how we talk about this. All right. Now let's practice. Yeah. Let's practice as we always do in pairs. Yeah. What is your job title? What do you do? What is your job title? And stuff like that. Let me slightly. Yeah. What do you do? Yeah. Which department do you work? Do you manage a team? Mhm. What do you do at work? Yeah. What do you do at work? Yeah. Something like this. Yeah. This way. Yeah. Can you see? Yeah. Okay. If you can see, guys, tell me. Yeah, I will move on. Don't worry. So this is the task. This is the task, and let's see who is going to answer now. Yeah. So I spin two wheels. All right, Mr. One. Mr. One, not present. Yeah. Okay. Let me. Let me let you see. Yeah. So yes, and yeah. So let's go. Yeah. So now We have a set of questions, and let's go for them. Yeah, go ahead, ask him.
I am maintenance engineer.
You're what? Maintenance.
Yeah.
Maintenance engineer. Okay, good. Yeah, so new word. Let me. Do you guys have a pen? Yeah, I have a pen. Okay, maintenance. Yeah, so I will write the words out. Or I will write them down here. Maintenance engineer. Yeah. Maintenance. Yeah. Maintenance engineer. Okay, good. Yeah. Continue, please.
I work in MV department.
MV.
Yeah.
MP.
MV is name of factory in electrical.
MP, yeah? MV, like this?
Yeah.
Okay, good. MV department, yeah. Yeah. Factory. Okay, maintenance engineer. Okay, I will include it. Thank you. All right, next.
Do you No, I don't.
Yeah, okay, but you are a part of a team. Yeah? You work in a team.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So how many people are in your team? This is still a relevant question.
There are 5 people in my team.
Mm-hmm.
One manager.
Uh-huh.
One mechanical engineer.
Mm-hmm.
And 2 electrical workers.
Mm-hmm. Electricians, yeah, we call them electricians. Yeah, 2 electricians. 2 electricians, yeah. Okay, good. Very good, yeah. Okay, now an extra question. Do you have a backup? Do you have a backup? Yeah, because this in corporation, this is a common question, yeah. Do you have a backup? What is a backup? A backup is a person, for instance, you get sick and you call to the work, yeah, and you say, I can't go. Yeah, so there must be someone who goes instead of you. Yeah, a person who works for you when you get sick or a vacation. No. Okay. This is, remember this question, guys, this is not by the book, yeah, but this is common in big corporations, yeah. Yeah. Do you have a backup? Do you have a backup? Yeah. Backup. Yeah, it's a person. Yeah. Person who we can say covers for you. Yeah, covers for you. For you, yeah. If you are sick. If you are sick, yeah. So when you get sick, yeah, something like this. If it makes sense. Okay. Backup. Okay, good. You can say, for instance, you can say, I have a backup. My backup is Mr. for example, or something like this. Yeah. Or I have a backup. My backup is Mr. Hugo. Yeah. Stuff like that. Okay. Good enough. Now you ask him back. Yeah. So we don't waste time on the roll. Yeah. Go ahead.
What do you do?
Office.
Office staff.
Office staff. Yeah. Okay. Office worker. You can say. Yeah. Office staff like this. Yeah. I better say office worker. Yeah. Okay. more polite. Yeah. I can tell you why, guys. Staff usually implies many people because you are staff. Yeah, but one person they say worker. Okay, better say worker. Okay, because staff refers to two or more people. Okay, so better say office worker. Staff two or more people. Yeah, you should know this one. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Which department do you work in? Production department.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Do you manage a team? How many people are there in your team?
Okay.
What do you work? Care of production, blending, and delivering project.
Okay. Let me write this out. Yeah. So production planning, project delivery. Yeah. Project delivery. Okay, good. Yeah. So I will include this.
Do you have a backup?
Okay. That's a good one. Just so you know. Okay. Next. Yeah. Let's see who'll be next. Good job, guys. Knock off. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay. The queen.
Yeah.
Sorry. Off.
No,
You are check. Okay. Okay. Let's reroll then. Okay, Mr. Sun. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
do you manage what do you
Logistics. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes.
or how many people are there?
Mm-hmm.
From two workers
Mm-hmm.
and the driver
Drivers. Mm-hmm.
running.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So you manage them. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Good.
You have
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Good. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Backups. You can think of a backup. For example, you have emails, corporate emails. Yeah. So a backup is the person who can handle emails when you are off, for example. Yeah. So normally you go on sick leave or vacation and you say something like, "Thank you for your message. I am off until, for example, 20th of May. Yeah, you can ask Mr. Yui, for example, yeah, about your matter." while I'm absent. Yeah, something like this. Yeah. So this makes Mr. Q my backup in my mail, for example. Yeah. I remember I was working in IT and I had like 3 backups. Yeah, because the project was. I had 1 backup for one part, 2 backups for another part, and one more backup for the third part of the project. Because the project was like, like uh, didn't like it to be honest. Because, okay, thank you, gentlemen. Mhm.
Mít lợi mít trang
Off.
mít lợi
Mr. Loy.
yeah,
Off.
mít lợi mít trang
Off. Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, you answered. Okay. Let's exclude. Yeah. Oh, let's go.
I'm a I'm a XR.
work in right.
Yes.
Do you manage a team?
No, I'm a the big thing.
Who is manager? Who is your manager?
Jen is my manager.
Mhm.
And how many people are in your team?
There are 3 people in my team and main office.
What do you work?
My response for when we answer employee
Mhm.
prepare a legal contract for a newcomer.
Wow.
Yes. And follow timekeeping and dispenser.
Mhm.
And the end of month, I will pay on salary, insurance, and personal income tax.
Mhm.
And then I must some reports for your
Mhm. So you're HR manager, right? HR manager, yes?
no, it's us.
Just HR, yeah? Okay, good. All right, thank you. Do you have a backup?
So maybe when it's liver,
Mhm.
the another my coworker will be next
Mhm. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you. All right, now you ask Mr. Q. You ask Mr. Q back there.
Hello, Luis. What do you do as LS company?
Training.
Um, what's the job thing?
I work in software you can contact.
How long are you working?
I just work Aerostat for about 3 months.
Could you please tell me some your work?
Is my team is am in charge of managing training program and I think I interest of Brad visual analysis, the regulation and can if the company
has employee who violates regulations company and and help to disciplinary action.
Mhm. Okay, that's a cool job description. Okay, do you have a backup?
I think if I'm off or I'm sick, you can have with my manager.
Mhm. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Mhm. So let's see. Who was? It's a lot off. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's probably Miss Zhang off. Yeah. So Miss Yata and who left? And that's it. Yeah. No, two people left. Yeah. You and you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What's your name then? Look, yeah, okay, sorry, you're not on the list. All right, gentlemen. So, yeah,
Production engineer. Working, how many people lost their 10 people. What will you do? What, what technical for production uh, training employee how keeping price sensitivity. No,
okay, yeah. Now you ask the other side.
what do you do?
Mm-hmm.
Do you work in do you manage how many people are in the what could you do in work?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have
Mm-hmm. Okay, good enough. So do you have a backup? No. Okay. All right. Good, guys. Now we finished this, the speaking part. So now to the boring part. Let's study some more words, so I can stage your pronunciation, and then we're gonna practice, maybe play a game or something. All right. Listen to yada 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 yada. So let's see. Yes, vocabulary 3 and vocabulary 4. Yes. Yes, vocabulary 4. This one. These are specifics for you. I will say for me this one. Ocean. 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 Yeah, this is basically, you can relate where you put cables, the big ones. Strong. 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 Connection. 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 Good. Electricity. Electricity. This is like din. Yeah. Din. Yeah. Okay, but Din Mason, it's the shop for electric stuff. Yeah. Okay. Long. Long. Good. And notice, guys, they sound, because I hear some of you make this sound not entirely correct. So this sound is like, they sound, yeah. But they sound ng in English. You make it like this, but you get your tongue down. For instance, see, tongue up. Yeah. But this one is tongue down. Mouth open, and through a nose. Long, yeah. Because, let me explain. You close your mouth and it becomes like this. Long, yeah. And it's English speakers, they don't understand. Okay. So this one is L, yeah. So open the mouth and tongue down, yeah. Mouth open, tongue down, yeah. Like this. See? So open the mouth and tongue down. Long, yeah. Not long. Not in the diff. Mouth open, tongue down, yeah. Yeah, this tongue up. Yeah, mouth open, tongue up. See? This one, tongue down. And this one, mouth closed. Like a cow. Yeah, okay. So distinguish these two sounds. Long, yeah, not long. Yeah. Because otherwise we're gonna have problems. Okay. Yeah. Let's try again. Long. Yeah, now correct. Now good. Okay. Next one. Thick. Yes. Refer to. Long yay and thick yay. No. There is a mistake. Excuse me. Okay, and thick. Yeah, but how do you distinguish? Yeah, but how do you make difference? Huh?
It's thick. And thick is not long.
Okay, and long cable. Okay, sorry. I failed to understand this one. Okay, good. But you understand the difference, yeah? Okay, I hope. Okay. Next one. C.
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 Good. Good. Yeah. Yeah. Bottom.
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 Bottom. Yeah. It's like floor. Yeah. C bottom. Yeah. C floor. Good. Wire.
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 It's another word for cables. Another word for cable. Wires. Yeah. Yeah. Machine.
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 Machine. Yeah, this one is made up. Yeah. Power.
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 Good. It's more to this one, non-long, I believe. Yeah. Yeah. Cable.
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 This one you know. Yeah. Ship.
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 Yeah. And this factory.
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 Factory. This one you know. Yeah. Yeah. May. Yeah. Deep.
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 Yeah. Okay. At least this is not the same one. Okay. Good. Yeah, that was fun. Okay, so I send you, as usual, I send you the words. I will add the sounds to them and send you later. Okay, next one. Yeah, this is to your duties. Yeah, test.
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 Good. Next one. Yeah, plastic.
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 Good. Roll.
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 Good. Roll means put it, yeah, when you unrolling cables. Metal.
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 Notice, guys, some Americans say metal. As you hear metal, it will be the same. I don't know why, but they often interchange. Metal, metal. Yeah. Yeah, so the key difference between Vietnamese and English is that English relies on consonant sounds for conveying the meaning, while Vietnamese relies more on the vowel sounds. Yeah, so this can cause confusion. Yeah. English speakers tend to replace some vowels with another's, yeah, and to Vietnamese, this sounds like different words. Likely, the same thing happens with the Vietnamese speakers speaking English. Yeah, you easily replace ng with m sound, and for example, some replace p with b. Yeah, and for English speakers, it sounds like different words also, yeah. You should know this. So pay attention to consonants and know that vowels can be distorted. For example, this word, yeah, English. Some Americans, again, you know this word, plane, plane, yeah. So normally it is said like in Vietnamese, it would be like this, Let me put it on the board. So in Vietnamese, it would be, if we write it like this, L-E-N, yeah, plane, yeah. But some Americans, instead, they say like this. They say like plan, yeah. They say, instead of plane, yeah, they say plan, yeah. For instance, yeah, and stuff like that. So you hear, and for you it sounds like, it probably sounds like this word, yeah, plan. Yeah, but it's plain, you know. So pay attention to this, yeah. English tend to distort vowels, you tend to distort consonants. Yeah, so what I recommend, what I recommend, find a person on YouTube or TED.com who speaks with the same accent as your partners, clients, whatever, yeah, and listen to them and look for the transcripts. Look for the transcript, yeah. I can send you some tools right now. So what is good? TED.com. You can read the exact translation, yeah. Or it's even Chinese, well. So, for instance, cables. Yeah, let's listen something about cables if there is something about it. Hopefully, yeah. Oh, hidden network that makes internet possible, yeah. So you push this button, see, read transcript. Yeah, and what is cool, you can click on the sentences. See, you can click on the sentences and it will connect. Where is the sound? Probably disabled, yeah. What's wrong with the sound? Okay, one moment, I'll fix it. Because I don't know exactly the setup of this TV, but I can use my own sound, yes. I'll give it some time. Where is it? Makes sense, yeah.
Digital data. But how does light travel within glass rather than with metal?
So see, you click on the sentence, see what I do. I click here, and it immediately jumps to the word. So you can read specific sentence and listen. You click and click and click and listen again and again and again. See, until you understand.
When a ray of light inside glass,
see,
and scientists.
This is what is cool about it. Another way to do the same thing. You, for instance, the word plane, yeah. You go to this website, Youglish.com. Yeah, I'll send to Mr. Huey. And you put the word that you cannot understand, for example, plane, yeah, plane. And you select the accents. You select the accents again. One moment, it will verify and get back to us. For example, no, Scottish you don't need. For instance, Americans, you need Americans, yeah, let's say. Okay, say it. And it looks for...
Everybody would buy a plane ticket and end up in California. They are there in my house.
It looks for videos where people with this accent speak this word, yeah? And you can then move to next video.
The problems of terrorism and dysfunction and chaos, along with plane crashes and a few other.
I heard the screams on the phone and the plane going in.
So you can listen to people saying this word.
Truck plane on the planet, and Al Gore didn't mention it, and he was so honest. He looked me on.
You can even go ahead if you need to repeat it. This button, yeah, 5 seconds back. Bam.
Truck plane on the planet, and Al Gore didn't mention it, and he was so bus, boat, truck, plane on the planet, and Al Gore didn't mention it.
Subtitles.
He was so honest. He
So
was
see?
truck.
This
plane.
way you can train your ear to understand accents, yeah? This is American, this is American. It also can find you, for instance, British, UK, yeah? Australian, Canada, Ireland, Scotland, hopefully not here because Scottish are bad, yeah? And other accents, yeah? So you select accents that you need and listen to them, yeah? This is important. Don't
The
worry
best
about
electric
it.
plane can only carry 2 people for about 1,000 kilometers on one charge, or its batteries would be too heavy to fly.
Also, speed, yeah, they speak fast, yeah, so you can reduce the speed. And you notice that you can reduce it fine grain, but not as much as on YouTube. On YouTube you have 75 or 5 and stuff like that, but here you can set, for instance, 65, yeah.
A typical commercial jet can carry 300
And listen.
people heavy to fly about 1,000 aren't a thing. Have to be huge and heavy. That's why electric planes aren't a thing. The best electric plane can only carry 2 people.
So you can listen until you understand, okay? And you can train your pronunciation also after this, okay? All right, good. There we go. So these are two, before I forget, yeah, let me write this one. So Uglish and TED. Yeah, I have videos, TED.com, Uglish guys, yeah, to send. Okay, good enough. This is what we need to know. Okay, back to our stuff. Yeah, Metal Kim Loy. Let's go. Signal. Signal. Good. Next one, yeah. Underwater. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Heavy. Good. Repair. Good. This one you know. Yeah. Homonym to the yogurt. Yeah. Fiber optic. This is a type of cable. I believe you know this one. Yeah. Yeah. Internet. Notice, guys, that officially internet, when we want to say internet in a document, we write like this, yeah? The internet. The internet. Notice we have the article and this one, yeah? Mm-hmm. I can explain again. Why? Because there are proper names in English, yeah? In English, like John, yeah, for example, John, yeah? Or Russia, for example, the country, you know, Russia, yeah? But then there are names that come from common words. Not come, but yeah, are made of common words, yeah? For instance, America, they say the United States, yeah? So United is a common word, yeah? United is a common word, and so is States, yeah? So we need to put the article, yeah? Same goes for the United Kingdom, for example. Kingdom, sorry, yeah? The United Kingdom, the Soviet Union, Soviet Union, and stuff like that. Stuff like this, yeah. So we need to put it. Articles. The United States and the internet. Internet is the internet is short for internal network. Internal network, yeah. That's why it needs an article, yeah. It is not a proper name like John. Okay, guys, make sense? Internal network. So in documents we refer it as the internet. Okay, good. Should probably have put the article here, but okay. Distance. 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 Mm-hmm. Next one, yeah. Put down. Yeah, this is what we do with cables. Put them down. Put down. Put down. Put down. Put down. Mm-hmm. Sea floor. Sea floor. Sea floor. Sea floor. Sea floor. Sea floor. Mm-hmm. What I told you, yeah, sea floor cables. Install. 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 Mm-hmm. And protective layer. Protective layer. Protective layer. Protective layer. Protective layer. Protective layer. Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Yeah, let's check the metal. All right, guys. So we're going through the boring part. Now let's do what? Yeah, let's play a little bit. Yeah, let's play constructing the sentences, and I believe we can shut this down by now. Yes, yes, we can.